Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Someone gave me this iQos version 3 Duo. It's one of those electronic smoking devices, and they don't want it anymore. And so I'm going to extract the 18650 battery that's in here. I've done this before, um, but I'm using this video just as a test for my newly acquired wireless microphone that I unveiled in a recent unpacking video. So I figured I'd do this simple battery extraction. So let's go ahead and do that. So there are two T6 Torx 6 screws that need to be removed. First, we remove this cover here. Now, one of the screws, once you lift this, one of the screws is down there in the gap. I don't think I'll be able to show it to you, but it's down here in the gap. And then another one is inside this hole here. So you will need a fairly long driver to reach it. So I have this set of long drivers that I bought from AliExpress. They're like 10 centimeters. And I have here the T6. So let me get the driver. There we go. Yeah, that came out. I don't know where the screw went. Anyway, I'm not planning on putting it back together, so here's the second one. And then basically we just pry it out like this. And here is the battery that I'm interested in recovering. There's one screw right there. I'm going to remove it so that I can get to the battery connector. This is also a T6, I believe. Yeah. And the battery just unclips. And we also need to remove this connector, because that's the cable that runs to the on-off switch right here. So let me peel off this Kapton tape holding the cable, next cable, and then let's undo this connector. There we go. And now I believe the battery, yeah, so we've extracted the battery. I'm going to measure the internal resistance to see how well this is. I'll need to remove these two things so that I can plug it into my internal resistance meter. Alright, so I exposed enough of the battery so that I can put it in this in the tester here. These are the specs of the battery. 2700 milliamp hour, or 9.9 watt hour. Nominal voltage 3.67. I'm hoping the internal resistance will be around 50 milliohm. Let's see. Wow, so this is a really good battery. 3.9 volts and only 24 milliohm. That's a really good battery. I'm really happy about that. Alright, well, please let me know how well the voice sounded, because as I said, I'm using the wireless lavalier microphone for the first time. If the audio is not clear or needs improvement, please comment down below and let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.